Hi, hello, welcome to this tutorial to create an interactive 2D game for teaching grammar lessons. WordWall is a creative platform that makes it easy for educators and learners alike to create engaging and effective language learning experiences. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use the platform to design a fun and interactive 2D game that will help your students master grammar concepts and improve their language skills. So, whether you are a teacher looking for a new and exciting way to teach grammar, or a learner who wants to improve their language skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Okay, so you sign up and then you enter your email and password, accept, and then press OK. After you do that, they're going to ask you to create your first activity, and you can now create your first activity. So go ahead and press it. Once you do, they're going to present you with a variety of games that you can choose from. I'm going to let you discover those on your own. We're going to focus on the maze game and the maze activity. So we choose the maze chase, and then we decide on the theme of the game. For example, let's say we want to give our students a game to practice the simple past. We can title that the simple past game, and then we enter the question and the multiple choices. We can enter up to 100 questions if we would like. I'm going to do just 2 for the sake of the demonstration. And then we can add the instructions. We can let our students know what they need to do. For example, here they have to run through a maze and then go to the correct answer in order to move to the next level. And of course, they have to be careful of the aliens because there are aliens there. Once we are done, we press done, and then we have the game ready to play. We can change some settings. For example, the number of lives our students have, the timer. We can add a timer or we can delete a timer. We can also provide them with levels of difficulty. We can make the game difficult, or we can make the game easy to play. And to share the game, all we have to do is press share. And then the game is ready to be played. And of course, once they play, they're going to have their names in the leaderboard, and then you can rank, and see who scored better in the game. That's the end of this video. Thank you, and see you next time on the next video.